Unebai, and welcome to this channel where we dey give now ogbonge update on wetin dey happen for Biafran territory as the Islamists take the enter gbege. Now the police just collect woto. Make na listing. And this another update now from Prime Minister. Make na listing.
Everyone, fellow Biafrans, welcome to today's fundraising as usual. And I want to welcome every one of you. It is the responsibility of the government to continue to provide security for our women and children so that they will not end up in IDP camps like other people all over Nigeria. It is the responsibility of this government to make sure we continue the delegitimization of the terrorist state within Biafra land. By doing this, we'll make sure that those who come to kill us will receive enough water. And this water will continue as we will never fold our arms and our hands watching them kill us as they used to do. So as we go forward to prepare and make the way for the liberation of Biafra through democratic means, diplomatic means, and every other mechanism that is being put in place, we will make sure that we provide security for our vulnerable women and children. That is the reason why this fundraising is very important, to make sure we provide the adequate security that our people need. In the entire Nigeria, it is only in the Biafra territory that the terrorists are not abducting our children in the school, from the school. It is only in Biafra territory that our women and the entire village is not being sacked, and it can never ever happen so long as this Biafra government is still very alive and active. The declaration of Biafra restoration that is scheduled to happen this year on the 2nd of December is still unchanged. And we are not going to change our word a bit. So we'll continue to prepare the ground, level the ground for the restoration of independent state of Biafra. On this note, I want to appreciate every one of you Biafra people and to make sure to also inform the Biafrans that most of the places where the terrorists has been very active, abducting and kidnapping our people, we have already deployed the Biafra Liberation Army and other Biafra forces to make sure they flush out the bandits that have come from Central African Republic, from northern Nigeria into our land. Our objective is to make sure they will never leave to kidnap our people and tell the story or collect ransom in our own land. Biafra government is the only legitimate government so far that is speaking for the entire 70 to 80 million Biafrans all over the world.
So, Mazugo, please look at the gate while Vam will take charge. Thank you so much.
Thank you, our PM, sir. We are humble and appreciative of all you're doing for us. We appreciate you. Thank you, my able Minister of Information. Thank you so much for your excellent lead in this department. We appreciate you so much. Grace be with you. As you go, let's go.
Let me start by bringing in an update. Mazi Ima, $1,500.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Before the next one comes up, Pastor Bam, before the next one, there is $50 from Nena from Arizona, $50. Then there is another update from Pakistan, IPOB Pakistan. Let me get the figure correctly. Then there is a redemption of full payment from India, because the last time they paid some and then they were to remit some, so they have completed the payment. So IPOB Pakistan, total of $235. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Please,
Pakistan.
Okay. That's nice.
Mazira, can you please co-host Ada Zion, please?
Ada Zion. Okay, I'll do just that.
Thanks.
Okay. Thank you. We have UK we are going to go to UK right now. And as I am your co-host already, you're welcome, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good day, everybody. Good evening and good afternoon.
Welcome.
There you go.
There we go. All right, let's go to UK. Biafra Liberation donation as a UK family. Donors for the week ending Saturday, 6th of April, 2024. Part 1. Mazi Benchooks, 1,000 men, $1,000. Akuna Fidelia Ifediora, $10. Doris, $50. Bishop Comfort, BLT, $20. 1,000 men, $70. Benjamin Isaiah, $5. Pioma C. Nwatiku, $25. Imenihu Chinedu, $50. Chinedu Nwadike, $10. Dean, $5. Benedict Ejezie, $10. Dr. Udobodo Ndive, $20. Patricia Omobai, $10. Josephine Amadiegu, $10. Doris Mosu, $60. Comfort Uzoho, $10. Ngozi Nwadike, $5. Victor Okebo, 1,000 men, $60. Onyama White, $10. Don Ezeku, 1,000 men, $100. BLT, $10. Gideon Okwaju, 1,000 men, $100. Ngozi Ogbonna, $20. Florence Uloako, $20. Roslyn Eke, $50. Samuel Ani, $50. Wada Wakego, $5 and $50, 1,000 men. Helen Peters, $20. Obi Umen Sofa, $10. Ata Nwangugu, $10. George Oshilim, $20. Mr. ITC, $20. Gladys Obuago, $10. Mr. and Mrs. Isi Guzo, $50. CN Otenibo, $50. Mazi Anthony, 1,000 men, $50. Franca Obinga, $10. Priscilla Azubuine, $10. John Ikenma, $30. Michael Jacobs, $30. Kennedy Richards, $15. Clara Chopeni, $50. CO Elekwachi, $5. Usa Amaka N, $20. Mrs. Chima, $30. Doris Ezeade, $20. Nada Flora, $50. Kingsley Orji, $300. Imelda I, $50. Cordelia Eze, $50. Mazi Chika, $10. Kechi Mbama Onye Ukwu, $20. And the subtotal of this part 1 is $1,880. Part 2, Angel Okoro, $100. Mazi Eze H, $50. Then comes to the final total of $2,030 from UK in today's fundraising. Thank you, UK.
Thank you. Thank you, UK family.
Thank you.
Thank you, United Kingdom.
Thank you.
There's another update I have here. When I locate it, I'll bring it out. So let's go ahead. If you have any update, please raise your hands or come in immediately so that we'll do it. Vam, please. All right. We have our own Dr. Ngozi Opalewe. Ngozi, please unmute yourself.
Yes, good evening, my PM. Good evening, everyone. Today I have update from Kenya. We are coming out small. I have a sister Eukeria Mbebu, $20. And Sister Mary Erikin, $20. And they have, from myself, I have already paid that $20. Eukeria has paid. I'm yet to pay for Sister Mary Erikin, and I will pay this evening. $20.
Okay, so $60.
Thank you, Kenya. Thank you, Kenya.
Thank you.
More evangelism. More evangelism.
So, Bam.
Sir?
Dr. Ngozi Ogbalenwe, please contact the African rep. Please contact African rep because we're trying to get you across. Contact African rep, please. Thank you. Bam, continue.
Yeah, you can unmute yourself. Did you hear that? Dr. Ngozi, unmute yourself. Did you hear that?
No.
He said you should contact African rep. Mazi James.
Mazi James, okay.
You have his contact,
Okay,
otherwise you okay. Otherwise you ask me, I'll give it to you.
Okay,
Thank
please.
you.
I will just check online and see if I don't get it, I come back to you.
Just go to the Telegram. You see his number there.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, we have our hand up. Please unmute yourself. Is that our own Chinyere? Unmute and confirm so that I will know if it's you to give you
Yes,
calls.
brother. Hello, brother. This is me, Chinyere.
Oh,
There
okay,
was-
Chinyere. Chinyere, you can open your camera, please, Chinyere.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Okay.
Welcome.
Welcome.
I'll come back to
Chinyere,
my update.
you want to give your update now or you do that later?
I'll do that shortly.
Okay, let us take Mazi Bernard from Spain. Mazi Bernard, please unmute yourself.
Good evening, fellow Biafrans.
Hey, what?
All of us of freedom. Good evening, our able PM, His Excellency Mazi Simon Ekpa, Onye Nche Biafra, Obata Obie, Asim Udo Diri Onye Ọwụna. I am bringing my update from Spain. This is our donation for the week. I'm still Mazi Bernardino, Spanish Rep 1. Our donations for this week have been remitted, and I have the receipt. We remitted 357 US dollars, which amount to 330 euro for the week. And these are the names of the donors for this week. We have Mazi Austin Omubiko, 20 euro. Mazi Chuks Obinna, 50 euro. Mazi Bennett Okoro, 20 euro. Mazi Chinedu Akuegbogu, 80 euro. Mazi Anthony Nwolisa, 30 euro. Nwada Sandra Ogboy Agolo, 20 euro. Mazi Ruben Philip Obiora, 20 euro. Mazi Jordan Brian, 30 euro. Mazi Kenneth Okafo, 30 euro. Mazi Ndubisi Emmanuel, 30 euro. These are our donors for this week, and this is our update from Spain. Ndewono.
Hey, what? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, our Spanish family. They will.
All right. We'll move with speed. Victor's iPhone, please unmute yourself.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everybody. I salute everybody. I salute you very well. You said something yourself. I'm calling from Massachusetts. I have some donation here from my own end. This donation is for the March ending. This March end is not donation from April. The April one will come on Saturday. And so these donations, the names of the donors are Victor Ebuna, $100, Innocent Onyenehu,
Yes, now we come back from that update. Now, yeah, as now see waiting Prime Minister talk and how Biafrans they respond to this fundraising, because this our struggle needs a lot of funds. And by the grace of Chuko Kabiama, this December, no fish shake. For this matter, me I go rest my case now. Thank you.